Hi, I'm Rob Pettit, and I work at Airthings in channel development. We're excited to be partnering with our local rep, Hedrick Associates, who covers all of Michigan for us, to exhibit at the 2020 Michigan Energy Summit. The product I wanted to showcase today is our Business Kit. Business Kit is a scalable solution that allows for constant real-time monitoring of indoor air quality in a space. The reason why constant monitoring is needed is because you not only need to develop baselines of your initial air quality, but you need to ensure that the solutions you put in place are meeting the needs of the building owner and the occupants.